Hello everyone, myself Rostan Martis from B5 section. My USN is 4SN22EE012. Today here I am talking about the my innovation topic, that is solar cars. For the installation of solar cars, these following materials are required. One is a PV cell battery, which is used to store the charge of energy. And second one is a solar absorption of metal device for absorbing the radiation of the sun. And third one is power transmitter device, converting the solar energy into electrical energy. And fourth one is hybrid supporter device. Using that, the several operations can be done, such as AC, the charging of mobile, etc. This is the rough figure of the solar cars. Here is the sun. The sun emitted the radiation, which are very helpful to eject the electrons from the metallic body. And this is the PV cell where the charge stores. And here the transmitter device is introduced for converting the solar energy into electrical energy for the purpose of moving. uh, Next, I am going to talk about the working principle of solar cars. When the solar radiation falls on the metallic plate, the ejection of electron takes place. Due to the ejection of electron, the photovoltaic effect occurs, which causes the solar current. As we know, the sun's energy is much more sufficient to produce the momentum. A transmitter device the introduced for converting the solar energy into electrical current, which is need to be stored in a battery. After the storage of charges, photovoltaic batteries start to release the charges as per the energy. Automatically, both charging and discharging phenomena takes place. Using this method, we can manufacture the cars that will be very helpful to effectful to reduce the both cost and pollution. By this, we can successfully install the cars that lead throughout the life. Thank you.